Please welcome founder of Turn, Ryan Everton.
Hey everybody, we have a return problem. People don't put products into the right bin. And as a result, the legislation is finally here. People and governments are starting to ban single-use plastic. The result of this is a multi-billion-dollar problem. Cost to brands, cost to consumers, that is about to come. So at Turn, we asked one simple question. How do you get people to start putting products into the right bin? Well, the solution we found was actually kind of simple. A bin connected with software and reward people in real time. They're customizable, they light up, they make sounds. It's as simple for a customer to register on their phone, drop a product into the bin, and return it to win some amazing prizes. It can be integrated with celebrities like Ashton, as you can see here. It allows brands to engage with customers in a whole new way. Brands can start offering rewards, gamifying the whole experience for a customer to want to put a product into the right bin. Here's an example of a turnifier, someone who's just ran around one of our music festivals and returned as many products as possible. People become obsessed with returning when you can reward them. The solution works pretty simple. It can integrate with any ticketing system with a bit of time, and it allows us to engage the customer to return the products into our real bins. Here's an example at the Waste Management Open, where we integrated with their ticketing service in order to offer rewards to anyone who went to that bin and returned it. Turn allows brands to go from being on a product to being part of a full platform. It allows them to engage in a whole new way. The data that we start to collect over time becomes real. How much CO2 we reduced, how many products we got back, how many users we engaged. Slowly, we're trying to work out what makes someone return in Kansas versus someone in New York. Turn's vision is to open up and loan all the return bins. From recycling to reuse to general waste, you need to get people to return in order to recycle or in order to even have reuse. Turn strives for the highest return rate possible. Currently, we can get up to 90% return rates with our system once we've been implemented for enough time. We imagine these bins in movie theaters, stadiums, airports. Heck, we've even imagined it in Times Square. Turn was recently selected as one of the 3 most innovative companies in reuse. Thanks to the 2 amazing women in the crowd. I can't find you, Lucy, but wave your hand over there. Live Nation's been leading the way with us. We're rolling out across multiple arenas this year with them, and there's some big news coming out in, next week on what they've been doing with Turn. We're selected by Delta Airlines for their first sustainability flight in the USA as they're starting to drive reuse into their planes and starting to make the most sustainable planes in the world. Nestle selected Turn for their first refill pilot in the US, as well as Waste Management, as you saw, for the largest golf tournament in the US. We're lucky to have advisors such as Ashton Kutcher, Guy Siri, who's the world's largest music manager. Turn imagines a world where we can take on all waste by gamifying people to return it to the right bin. From reuse to recycling, we believe in a world where you need that in order to drive it.
My God!
As you can see there, we imagine a world where it's more valuable to return a product than throw it away, and people love it. Thank you.